come on over. It's the friendliest time of year. Come on up, come on in, nothing better than to give the gift of cheer. So come on in, come on up, come on over. We'll be singing all them songs. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3.
Another super late start to Vlogmas day 21, or no, 22. Johnny's home. Literally, you guys, I need to find something for bedtime because I could not sleep at all. The melatonin gummies that I got sucked, so I'm not using those. And I have the liquid IV sleep powder that has melatonin. That's on the way, but it hasn't arrived yet. But I need to find something in the meantime because literally, I didn't go to bed until Johnny started getting ready for work. And I was like laying in bed trying to sleep and I just couldn't. My body was tired, but my mind was so wide awake. Okay. Oh, wait, your mom's calling. We made a quick grocery run at Sprouts for Johnny's mom. We're gonna go drop these off right now. And we got Starbucks. I got a cinnamon raisin bagel and an iced green tea. Ah! We're not gonna take it. No, we ain't gonna take it. We were just listening to that song on the radio. I'm gonna sit here and eat my bagel and cream cheese. Johnny is going to one more store. He's going to grocery outlet to get some waters. Don't know why he didn't just get them at Sprouts, but he wanted to go to grocery outlet. Watch him come back with snacks. Watch him come back with snacks. Oh man, I just cannot believe I woke up so freaking late today. I literally woke up when Johnny got off work. That's embarrassing. That's embarrassing. So I'm playing catch up right now. I'm working on True and Noble in the car on my phone. Luckily I can do that. So I'm working on that. When I get home, I'm going to edit and upload yesterday's vlog because I haven't even started that yet. Johnny just really wanted me to go with him to run errands. Maybe Johnny's like me in the sense where he doesn't like to go anywhere alone. So maybe he's like me like that. I got a grande green iced tea lemonade. It doesn't taste as good as I remember it. It tastes a little bitter. Look, just pretend I'm a mukbanger. I think about that sometimes, like how cool that is. If that's what you do, like your content is eating, how cool is that? That's really cool. Sometimes a little gross, but that's really cool. Imagine like, oh, I have to eat. I have to record myself eating. But that just goes to show you can literally make content about anything. About anything. There's so many people. It's like making me really anxious. I'm glad I didn't go inside with Johnny. She laughed at me. Finally had my bagel after like a week. Maybe, has it been 2 weeks that I've gone without a bagel? I know I'm gonna sound super dramatic, but when I don't have a bagel and a liquid IV and coffee in the morning, I feel the headaches creeping in. I'm not even kidding. I feel them creeping in. They're subtle, they're not as extreme as they used to be, but I feel them. That is my like my secret formula. Liquid IV, bagel, and coffee. And I won't have a headache at all. At all. Dang, look at how much Johnny got for them. That's really sweet. That's 12 gallons of water. I didn't even know they made packs of gallons like that.
What do you mean?
Like packs like that are a gallon each. I didn't even know they made that.
Oh yeah.
Money, 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 money. I found a penny.
Oh,
here.
Good thing my quarters. I collect my quarters and coins.
Good thing. Oh gosh, my phone. Good thing you got the quarter. What's the difference between metaphor and analogy? Because I literally forgot just now. But anyways, I think it's called analogy.
Metaphor
is something where it says like or.
Metaphor is something you say. Analogy is something you say.
Thanks for the great help, Johnny.
You're welcome.
You're so dumb. Anyways, I just came up with a great metaphor or analogy, whichever one it is.
Metaphor.
You don't have one. Johnny and I were talking about like my plants this morning and like how I have two that are actually gonna grow into trees, like big old trees. They're gonna grow, and Johnny's like, oh, that's cool. I'm like, it's gonna take like several years, but they're gonna grow into trees eventually. And we were driving by and I just saw more trees. I'm like, isn't nature just so cool how it just like, it grows and does its thing. All it needs is a little dirt. And then I was like, oh my gosh, that's like life too. We just need a little dirt in order to grow. And like, dirt is like, you know, the hard times, the dark times. We just need that stuff in order to grow, just like the trees. Oh my gosh. All of you that were saying, oh my gosh, Jackie, you have such clear, perfect skin during your period. No, I don't. I got this guy last night. I got, where did it go? This guy. I just keep like because they're little, I just keep scratching them off like they'll go away, but look what I just did to myself. And I felt another one. It was like really close to my hairline. Where did I find it? Like while I was just laying in bed because I couldn't sleep last night. Somewhere like right here. Crap, I can't find that one, but I got this guy, and I got this guy. I got a little one right here. This is my main one though. Right here. But anyways, I'm just hanging out in the room. Just finished editing yesterday's vlog. And I got Johnny's package. I'm going to wrap it right now. He's in the living room. Let me just close the door. Just to be safe. I'm going to wrap his present right here, right now. I thought I had some paper, but I literally can't find it. Please don't tell me this is all I have. We're gonna have to make it work with this. Okay, this is me using a bunch of just scrap paper. But just to make it more exciting, I'm also gonna put it in a bag. Ooh, this is cool gift wrapping paper, look. Look at this. How cool is that? Ta-da! Johnny's gift. I also got some packages and gifts. Let's open it. My friend Lacey just swung by. She dropped this off on the doorstep. So sweet of her. It says, Jackie and fam. Oh, this is cute. Look at that. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I hope you'll have the best holiday season to date. You've been on my heart lately, so I just wanted to give y'all a little something. How stinking cute is this? It's a mug that says, love is a four-legged word. On both sides. So sweet. Ooh, look at this. Erin Condren little sticky notes. Oh, is this a little coin purse? Look. Little Christmas tree. Oh, and it has a little like carry thing. This one is the Zoe one. This one is Joy. Look at that cute little bottle. We've got Pain Away and Number One, which is for guys. Thank you, Lacey. The next thing I got is from Pop Beauty. I got notifications that I had stuff at my mailbox, so I told Johnny to go get it because I was fully expecting it to be my liquid IV order, but it was not, unfortunately. But we got something from Pop Beauty and Pixie, so let's see what we got. So from Pop Beauty, oh cool, what's this? Plump Pout Volume Gloss. Look at this packaging, like the shape of it. It looks like a hand sanitizer. We've got a Flash Shadow Liquid Eyeshadow in the color Crush Copper. That's really pretty. I know my camera does not want to focus because it sucks. We got a Makeup Magnet Mist Setting Mist. Ooh. And ooh, we've got an eyeshadow palette. This is really cute. These are my type of colors, y'all. Look at this. So warm and delicious. Thank you, Pop Beauty. Can't wait to try those. And then let's see what Pixie sent over. I hope it's skincare because I love their skincare. Ooh, it's in a little bag. We got the Milky Tonic, Glow Tonic, and Retinol Tonic. That's awesome. That's an awesome little gift set. And then this cute guy, it has some makeup wipes in here, the Glow Mud Cleanser, the Glow Tonic, and Glow Mud Mask. I've tried the Mud Mask and the Glow Tonic. Those are awesome. And the makeup wipes. Cute little set. Thank you, Pixie. Let's grab the 2 makeup products for today. I hope you guys don't mind, but I'm gonna turn on the fan because I'm freaking hot. You know what? Since Berkey's main gift hasn't arrived yet, I'm gonna give this cute little gift set to her as another little gift that she can open since her real gift isn't here. I feel so bad. So this is so cute. I think she'll like it. Literally, like, don't feel good today. Like, I just don't want to do anything today. I guess it's just more period woes. Johnny's like, what's wrong? Why don't you feel like what's hurting? What's not feeling good? I don't know. I'm just like everywhere. I just don't feel good. Ew, why does this water taste disgusting? Ugh. Why does this taste weird? Ugh. Ugh. I got hiccups again. I'm going to take a really hot bath. Babe, do you know if this candle is for the bath or no? Like it flows in the bath? I really hope I sleep like a normal person tonight. I hope I sleep like a normal person tonight. We still have to try this, amor. I don't know if I showed this to you guys, but we bought the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. Heard this is really great. Let me see what it says. It says the world's most powerful facial deep pore cleansing. But we're gonna have, let me see, are my pores big? I mean, they're there. They're definitely there. I want to try this with you, so I'll save that for another day. But you know what, while I shower or take a bath, I should do a little face mask action as well. Let me see what I have, because I know I have a ton of stuff. So let me see what I have. Oh wait, my face masks over here. Where's all my face masks? Oh, they're right here. Over here. Okay, I don't have a ton. I have some what's good for dark circles? This one. This is the Derma E Vitamin C Bright Eyes Hydro Gel Patches. I'm gonna have to use that because my under eyes are getting real dark. Real dark. I also have this Hydro Gel Eye Mask from Muesli. I thought I had a bunch of clay masks though. Where the heck are those? Johnny's gonna go to bed now. Oh, the Pixie Glow Mud Mask. They just sent me a little, that was a weird sounding burp. They sent me a mini version of that, which I gifted for Brooke. But I'm gonna use, have I tried this before? I think I have. Yeah, I have. Okay. I'm gonna go do this. Take an Epsom salt bath. And I'll see you guys after. Hopefully I won't have hiccups after. Hello. I'm here on the couch now. I think I'm gonna watch a little Netflix because yet again, it is late at night and I am not a drop tired. I didn't even take a midday nap today. I didn't. But yet, here we are. Oh, I took a bath. It was so awesome. I had my face mask on, living my best life. I just watched Remember Me on Netflix and I started crying. The ending made me cry. Like, I was crying, like ugly crying. I was ugly crying. This stupid sore in my mouth still hurts. Ugh. This is very salty water. I know this looks crazy, but I organized it all by how, like, let me just say it. So this pile right here is presents that we need to deliver to Johnny's family. This pile right here, like this tall pile, is for my family. This pile leading up into the tree is for my friends. And then here and back is for me and Johnny. But going back to the movie Remember Me, it was good. Just sad, really sad at the end. I don't know what it is. Johnny's gonna laugh at me when he finds this out, but I have had a little bit of a Robert Pattinson crush lately, so I just want to watch movies that he's in. And the reason Johnny is gonna laugh because when we were watching the Twilight Saga, Johnny's like, okay, out of everyone, Edward's the ugliest character. It just cracks me up. But yeah, I've been on a Robert Pattinson kick right now. And I know, again, I did not do my makeup. We were going so strong, like majority of Vlogmas, but now that we're reaching the end, I'm like, I see myself kind of dragging a little bit. 2 days in a row I haven't done the advent calendar. Maybe tomorrow we can try and incorporate all 3 that I've missed. Anyways, wish me luck for ending Vlogmas, but that is going to be it for this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for chatting with me in the premiere, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!